Tamils around the world, part 2. Hello students, in last class we learned that Tamils travel to many countries. Among these we learnt about Sri Lanka and Malaysia. In today's class, let us see about Singapore, Fiji and Myanmar. Singapore. Modern Singapore was founded in 1819 by a British statesman and Lieutenant Governor Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles. The real history of Singapore starts from here. So the real history of Singapore was started in year 1890 AD. Modern Singapore was found by the British man Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles. But the Tamil had maintained connection with this island much before that. Island means a small area completely surrounded by a water. That is called island. Islandna ஒரு சின்ன நிலப்பகுதி ஃபுல்லாக தண்ணீரால் சூழப்பட்டிருக்கும். அதான் தீவுன்னு தமிழில் சொல்லுவோம். இன் இங்கிலீஷ் இட் இஸ் called island. Okay. So, but the Tamil had maintained connection with this island much before that. When British ruled Singapore, Tamils came here as a workers and traders. So, when the British people ruling Singapore, during the time Tamil went there as a workers and traders. Traders means as a businessman. Workers, normal working people. They went as a working people and as a businessman. The hard work of Tamil is one of the reasons behind the development and modernization of Singapore. In today's world, Singapore is one of the best tourism place. It is a well developed country also. So, Tamil peoples are one of the biggest reason behind that. During the early years of Singapore in the 19th century, the Singapore British government and Christian missionary schools selected only Tamils as teachers. So, in British ruling time, Tamil people can work only as a teachers, but the current situation changed. The Tamil people entered in all the departments including the politicians. So nowadays they in every department. Okay, now the Tamil community consists of lawyers, lecturer, doctors, engineers, government officials and even politicians. Construction of Johor Bridge, Sembawang Shipyard, Kalang Airport and St. Andrew's Cathedral are symbols of Tamil hard work. Now only we learned that Tamil people is one of the biggest reason for the development of Singapore and they took the main part in the modernization of Singapore. These are the landmarks of Singapore. Okay children, if you have a chance, please visit Singapore. Next, Fiji. Fiji is a group of volcanic islands in the South Pacific. The Tamils were sent to Fiji by British as laborers between 1903 and 1916. Students, now only I told island means a land surrounded by water. நடுவில் நிலப்பகுதியும் சுற்றி தண்ணீரால் சூழப்பட்ட பகுதியை தான் ஐலாண்ட். தமிழில் தீவுன்னு சொல்லுவோம். வேல்கனிக்னா எரிமலைகள். ஸோ ஃபிஜி இஸ் ஃபில்டு வித் மோர் வேல்கனோஸ். எரிமலைகள் நிறைஞ்ச தீவை தான் ஃபிஜி. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஸோ தமிழ் வென்ட் தேர் as a laborers. The Tamils in Fiji have always voiced their need for equal rights. As a part of this, women's wing was formed in 1938 called the Indian Sanmarga Madar Sangam. The purpose of this wing was to set aside one handful of rice each day before cooking so that the poor and hungry Tamils can be fed. So they went as a laborers. So always they will fight for their rights. Among them, the women's alone form some special Sangam. That name was Indian Sanmarga Madar Sangam. The motto of the Sangam was every day while they start their cooking, they will take a handful of rice and saved in some separate vessel. At the month end, they will donate for the needy people and poor people. Okay, this is a very good scheme, isn't it? So we can donate to everyone by saving this. The book named Tirukkurali was launched by Ratu Johnny, the Vice President of Fiji. Students, do you remember the word Tirukkurali? Do you have any idea? Yes, this book was written on the basis of our Tirukkural alone. Okay. He said that the book will help to promote peace and multiculturalism in Fiji. This book was a Fijian version of the ancient Tamil book Tirukkural. Okay, students. Multiculturalism means the different cultural group in a society. So in Fiji there are different groups of peoples are living, so they are following each one in different culture. So in Fiji multiculturalism is followed. The Siva Subramanya temple is a Hindu temple located in Nadi, Fiji. Myanmar. Myanmar is our neighboring country. Neighboring means it is very near to our country. Myanmar is our neighboring country. Most people here follow Buddhism. Like our Hinduism, Buddha is the main god for them. So people in Myanmar follow Buddhism. The cultural and trade relations between Tamil Nadu and Myanmar was mostly through the sea. So we cannot reach Myanmar by land routes. Most of the time we had trade relation through the sea only. King Anvarda Minsa was the founder of the empire. Students, please remember the king name, King Anvarda Minsa. He is considered the father of the nation in Myanmar. Hence, he is one of the most famous king. His son, King Kyansitha, had good relations with the Chola kingdom of Tamil Nadu. So, not only King Anvarda Minsa, his son King Kyansitha also had good relations with the Chola people. In 1850, people from Tamil Nadu moved here and worked in the agricultural fields. The fights between Indians and Burmese lead to riots in the country. Riots means a violent group of people that disturb the peace. So the Burmese tortured the Tamil people. Because of this reason, more Tamil people moved from Myanmar to again India. This forced a large number of Tamils to leave Myanmar. There are many temples in Myanmar for Hindu gods like Mariamman, Murugan and Thirumal.